Hi, I'm Lisa Malembe, the owner of Bella BNB in KwaZulu-Natal, in Zululand, at Nongoma, the home of Zulu King. Bella BNB, it's in Nongoma. As I said before, we've got 18 rooms, but we're still under construction. There's a lot of tourists that are coming here. Some are coming from England to visit the Zulu King here. They sleep here. Even the other guys that come for construction, for other businesses, they come here. They sleep to our facilities. I enjoy to work with people, guys. I won't lie to you, I really enjoy to work with people because each and every time you meet different people. It's very nice. It's very nice. Different region, different. It's nice. It's nice. I always smile. Even I'm not okay, but if the people come, I just smile. They bring me joy. I won't lie to you. We can't wait for our guests. We're waiting for them actually.